Hi, this is Saloon Untitled Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Honda CR-V stock number 6011. It's ran from the 11th 2012 to the 4th 2017. There's an R20A 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the R20A 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right front 18-inch factory mega tyre. Right front headlight. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.